Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the best electric air duster, a powerful, eco-friendly way to keep your electronics dust-free. If you're done with canned air and messy cleanups, this might be the perfect solution. Let's dive into its features, pros, and cons. So let's get started. Product features. Powerful motor. With a motor that spins at 180,000 RPM, this air duster generates an intense, focused jet of air that can blast away dust from even the tightest corners. 3 speed modes. You can choose from low, medium, or high speed settings, depending on what you're cleaning. This makes it super versatile, from delicate camera lenses to dusty car vents. 2-in-1 functionality. It's not just an air blower, it's also a mini vacuum. This dual-use design allows you to suck up crumbs and debris or blow dust away, depending on your cleaning needs. Rechargeable and USB-C powered. Forget disposable cans. The E1 charges via USB-C, which means it's both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Portability. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. You can take it from your desk to your car and even on trips if you need it. Precision attachments. It comes with multiple nozzles and brushes, so you can tackle different surfaces and tricky spots with ease. Pros. Powerful cleaning performance. The 180,000 RPM airflow quickly clears dust from tight areas. Eco-friendly and reusable. It recharges via USB-C and replaces single-use air cans. 2-in-1 versatility. It functions as both a blower and a vacuum for easy cleaning. Lightweight and comfortable, its small size makes it comfortable to hold and carry. Safe for electronics. It safely cleans sensitive gadgets like laptops and cameras. Cons. Limited battery life. The battery drains faster on the highest speed and may need recharging during long use. Not for heavy industrial use. It's not as powerful as industrial blowers for heavy-duty cleaning jobs. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a clean, powerful, eco-friendly alternative to traditional air cans, this is definitely a solid pick. With its strong airflow, 2-in-1 vacuuming feature, and portable design, it checks a lot of boxes for tech users, gamers, photographers, and car owners alike. Just keep in mind the battery limitations, especially on high settings, but overall, it's a well-designed, handy cleaning gadget that's perfect for daily use. Thanks for watching today's review on Tech Kingo. If you're interested in the Trans Warrior E1, check the price link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay clean, and keep exploring with Tech Kingo.